Hello folks, it's Rich220, and well, somebody said that if the connecting rod is loose that it's done. No more knocking. That's just the exhaust manifold that's loose. You hear it? So much for your theory on the connecting rod being done if they're loose. I went underneath it last night, locked everything up like it's supposed to be. No more knocking. It's got brand new oil, and everything's been cleaned out. You see my little plateau here from underneath the car. My tools are still there, but that's where we're at now. It's no longer knocking. The exhaust manifolds have to be tightened down to the exhaust pipes, and that's it. Other than replacing the heater core hoses. She's done, folks. She runs, and there's no knocking. The knocking's gone. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and hit the bell for post notifications. And we'll see you in the next one, because I got to put this thing back together. But it does run. All right, bye.